one important part of overall success is good health. This I had been practicing for a long time because health, if you are healthy, what will happen is you will be able to cope up more stress. Your capacity to take more load will increase. Your capacity to collaborate in family will increase. But a lot of people underestimate health. And when I start coaching with anybody, irrespective of they start at the beginning of their career or they're at a CFO level, when I coach them, one of the parameters I always focus on is what is their health, how much overweight they are, what is their overall BMI, and all those things when I take it out. The reason being, I have found when we are busy with our career, we think health can be neglected. But after a certain period of time, what we will realize is our productivity, our energy level start falling. So I'm not promoting here that you reduce your weight and become six-pack abs. That is a part of another dream. But if your dream is not to have six-pack abs, your dream is to become overall healthy, overall successful, great in a relationship, then one thing is for sure, you have to dedicate at least 30 minutes exercise. Today is Saturday, it was 6 a.m. which I woke up, and first thing I was having was I have a PTM at 8 o'clock, and if PTM is there, I did not want to skip my exercise. So what I did, woke up a little early and went to gym, pumped up for 1 hour, and I came back. Now I'm feeling energized. We'll just take a shower and go to PTM. What excuse do you have for having a good health? Is it family? Is it career pressure? Is it job pressure? Is it something else? Then my question is this: you are fooling your own life. If your health is not good, you cannot continue for a long time. Last analogy before I conclude the health is this. Imagine you rise to a CFO level at the age of 40, and now you have another 20 years to enjoy that success. But the problem is your health has taken a toll, and now you don't have energy to continue beyond 4 years more. Smear loss of 16 years. Secondly, imagine you continued with the proper health and you would have achieved the same success in the same time. Now you would have enjoyed for 20 years more success. That's an analogy. Focus on the health. Make your weekend productive. Go to gym at least 3 to 4 days a week. I'm assuring you, you'll have a great career. I'll talk to you next.